Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Toyota Tacoma air filter. First, gather your tools, a Phillips head screwdriver and your new air filter. Make sure your Tacoma is parked on a flat surface and the engine is completely off. Changing your air filter is a quick and easy task that can significantly improve your truck's engine performance and even its fuel economy. It's a great way to keep your Tacoma running smoothly. Now, let's find the air filter housing. It's typically a large black box located on the passenger side of your engine bay. You'll see two metal clips on the front of the housing. Unclip these to loosen the cover. Some models might also have a hose or sensor connected to the cover, so gently disconnect those if present. This allows you to lift the cover and access the old filter. With the cover open, carefully lift out the old air filter. You'll likely notice it's quite dirty, which is normal. Take a moment to inspect the inside of the airbox for any leaves, dust, or debris, and wipe it clean if needed. Now, take your new, clean air filter and place it into the housing, making sure it sits snugly and evenly all around. Once the new filter is in place, carefully lower the airbox cover back down. Reconnect any hoses or sensors you detached earlier, and then secure the two metal clips firmly. Give them a good push to ensure they're latched. Finally, start your Tacoma's engine to confirm everything sounds normal. You've successfully changed your air filter. For other great deals like the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.